What's up, guys? Today we came out here in the middle of nowhere to find out if Tannerite will, when set on the end of an arrow. Is that good?
Yeah.
I am just trying not to get flagged by YouTube right now. This is low velocity Tannerite, packed down in a little Ziploc bag with a sponge and then air. There's a hole drilled into the top of this pill bottle. And that's the secret, folks. All right. That was wind, totally the wind. Woo! Yeah!
That was amazing.
That was awesome.
Holy crap.
All right, let's blow some stuff up.
I want to put.
Okay, that's, if we can get one just perfectly squared up shot right here. Like, I'm unbelievably stoked because it works. Like, this totally works. I just want to blow something up. I just want a little bit more concentrated chaos right here.
That was insane.
Me being a terrible shot, I really didn't do anything to the pumpkin. I think I'm gonna let Paul take a shot. He's a little bit better than I am. I'm impressed on two levels. This is the most amazing, durable pumpkin I've ever seen, and GoPro is incredibly strong. This thing is survived 2 blasts from like 12 inches away.
So what I do is I hold it like this, but I like this.
Gene's practicing first.
Okay.
I don't know where you're aiming, but
yeah, I'm just kind of guessing.
all right, dude. I'm gonna make sure I'm running.
God, this is. I do not feel too good about this. All right, here we go.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh! What happened?
No!
What? All right, as always, Morgan's here. I didn't mean that to sound negative.
Yes, it's true. I have graced you with my presence.
Wait, let me. Oh! Dang it! I've got to figure out how to make these things consistent.
It went right through it, yeah?
It went right through it, yeah. Ah! We're going for double the boom on this one. I put 2 packs into one. All right, having high hopes for this one.
Oh!
Really got to work on standardizing my fabrication because it's definitely, I think it's just, I don't have the right mix in every bag, so. I just want to point out, Gene is actually setting his GoPro right here. That's, I don't know, 16, 17 inches away. All he's gotten so far is a cracked lens cover. Woo-hoo!
I missed.
Did you feel the percussion
Yes,
on
I
that?
did. The other further that time.
Yeah. When the cap goes off, this is the cap, and it blasts all the way up. Quite like that.
I'm enjoying Texas so far.
Good.
I like this
You
place.
read my mind.
I like this place. I like this.
Yup. All right, Paul. Stop playing around. Let's go for real. Yeah!
Yes!
Woohoo!
Yeah! Yes!
Woohoo!
Right.
That was awesome.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Yes!
That's awesome.
It's smoking. I'm surprised it didn't blow into like a bunch of little pieces.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Exactly what we needed.
I've learned a lot about pumpkins today. They are remarkably durable.
That's the takeaway from this.
I think that if I can figure out how to make these consistent, I've got a good product on my hands.
Chris went kind of crazy at the sale.
I was really hoping to blow up all of those. What you gonna do about it, Paul?
I'm going to kill it.
Let's do it. Well done, Paul. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.
I have no idea how to end this video.
Yep.
Is that good? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future posts.
And Chris is gonna make a video on how to build these next, so you can try it.
No,
at
I'm
home.
not. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.